channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, just come back from market. All this my market, as you can see. Just come back from market guys. So I share about as a pandemic guys, what food we need to we can get to have potential health benefits of banana. Okay, banana, avocado, and pears. Do you know that this PH banana and also lime and lemon I buy, we have to drink, good for the vitamin C. But the highest have vitamin C and vitamin E. They call it the watercress. Do you know what is watercress? The highest with pH 22.5 guys. Okay, but green lemon, lime and lemon has 9.9 pH. So, and the green lemon, they said, is the best also, is we have 8.2 pH. Okay guys, and especially egg also have 7 pH, have 7 potential health. Okay guys, so this one I'm going to make a soup with the bones, and I will put almond and dates. Okay guys, so I buy the pork bones. So this is the ribs, pork bones, that I will make the soup for the watercress. Okay guys, I will include everything, how much the potential health of this food. We call it all as everything we eat is food, also fruits. Okay, so this is what I have: fruit, banana and avocado. Banana, avocado. See na avocado? Avocado. Okay guys, this is banana, avocado, pears, pear. Okay, this is I bought. Okay, this is avocado. You can eat tomorrow already. Okay guys. So this is almond, dates, watercress. I boiling water I put some ginger to boil this soup, and I blanch the pork bones to make it the soup guys. Okay guys, so blanch it first, at least 15 minutes guys, the pork bones. Then after we blanch, okay, after we blanch, then we put here together with all this. Okay guys, see, it's boiling our blanching pork bones. Okay guys, blanching pork bones, and then we wash. Okay guys, we wash. Okay guys, so times up for the boiling this one. Okay, so we wash now. So let it boil. Alright. See, now it's boiling. So we have to lower fire to make lower the fire. Okay, so boiling, guys. Oh, okay, time to put the watercress. Okay. Put some salt and it's ready. 1/3 of salt. Almond. Okay. So let's try the soup. You want to drink some soup now? Ho Mia. Half bowl sin na, Homa. Oo.